जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम. Sri Ramachandraya Janakamangala song. This is a very famous 17th century Telugu Mangalam, a benediction song composed by Bhakta Ramadasu Kancherla Gopanna. He is also called as. It honors Lord Rama as Sita's husband and the Lord of Bhadrachalam, praising his auspicious beauty and divine qualities, often sung to end prayers. Key features of this song. Purpose. It is a traditional benediction song, Mangalam, asking for prosperity and blessing. It is composed and written by Bhakta Ramadasu, a legendary 17th century devotee. This song theme describes about the beauty of Lord Rama with a smiling face, lotus eyes, and his adornments, Tulasi, garland, jewels, and his divinity, protector of devotees, king of cosmos. The lyrics of the Ramachandraya Janakamangala song and the description are as follows. This song is dedicated to Lord Rama, specifically praising his form at the Bhadrachalam temple. Composed by Bhadrachalam Ramadasu, it describes Rama as the beloved of Sita, Janaka's daughter, a protector of devotees, and the lord of Bhadragiri. The key details of the composition. Significance. It is a mangalam or a hymn that is to invoke auspiciousness and prosperity, often sung at the conclusion of a devotional event or puja. The composer Bhadrachala Ramadasu, who is also called as Kancherla Gopanna, is basically his devotee who turned the author of this song. The description of Rama and the lyrics behind are Janaka Rajaja Manoharaya, one who delighted Sita, the daughter of Janaka. Kosaleshaya, the lord of Kosala region. Mandahasa, the one with a gentle smile. Jalaja Sadrusha Dehaya, one with a beauty as beautiful as a lotus. Dasa Poshanaya, protector of his servants and devotees. The structure of this song commonly praises Rama's radiant appearance, including the jewels he wears and his lotus like eyes. Ragam and Thalam of this song. It is traditionally sung in the Raga Kurunji or sometimes Navroj with that of Aditalam. It is frequently performed as a part of the Carnatic music concerts and daily rituals in Ramanuja tradition and also in some other bhajans and temples at the end because this is Mangalam and this is a note to end it successfully. So, shall we now sing this song along with the Thalam? We will sing in Madhyamam Shruti in the Kurunji Ragam and we'll put Talam, Adi Talam, and each shloka we'll be singing twice with the Pathabedam, that is the different versions in different texts. So, totally 7 shlokas are there. So, students, you can learn from this along with the lyrical video. रामचन्द्राय जनकराजज मनोहराय मामका भीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनक राजज मनोहराय मामका भीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् कोसलेशाय मन्दहासदासभूषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वराय मङ्गलम् कोसलेशाय मन्दहासदासभूषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वरदमङ्गलम् विनुतसत्वरदमङ्गलम्. This is another version. चारुकुङ्कुमोपेतचन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम् चारुकुङ्कुमोपेतचन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम् ललितरत्नकुण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलदसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् ललितरत्नकुण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलदसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् देवकीपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय चापजातगुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय चापजातगुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् पुण्डरीकाक्षाय पूर्णचन्द्राननाय अण्डजातवाहनाय अतुलमङ्गलम् पुण्डरीकाक्षाय पूर्णचन्द्राननाय अण्डजातवाहनाय अतुलमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुजनचित्तकामिताय शुभ्रमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमुखचित्तकामिताय शुभगमङ्गलम् रामदासाय मृदुलहृदयकमलवासाय सामि भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुलहृदय कमलवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम्. Another version. रामदास मृदुलहृदय तामरस निवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुलहृदय तामरस निवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् 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 जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम सर्वत्र गोविन्दनामसङ्कीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द सीतापति रामचन्द्र की जय जय श्री राम जय सीताराम जय